Today we're baking up a zesty southern lemon pound cake. Join me for this pound cake baking experience. There's a recipe linked below. Let's get started.
Let's get started by preheating our oven to 325 degrees. Now, let's welcome the star of our video, the lemon, and let's zest a little over 1 tablespoon of it. Only zest the outer part of the lemon and not the inner white part. That is called the pith, and it's bitter and it's bad. Let's set this aside. Then, grab a small mixing bowl and add 3 cups of flour. I like to sift mine first, but you do you. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Let's whisk these together and then set them aside. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of room temperature butter, 3 cups of sugar, and cream those together with a hand or a stand mixer until they are light and fluffy. Scrape down the sides of that bowl. To our butter and sugar, let's add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 6 eggs. Add the eggs 1 or 2 at a time and mix after each addition until the yellow is just gone. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now, let's mix in 1 cup of room temperature sour cream. Sour cream is going to give our pound cake a moist and tender crumb and a delicious, irresistible, tangy flavor. Now, let's grab our extracts. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's mix those in. Lastly, let's add our dry ingredients to our batter and mix until they are just incorporated. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now, let's add our batter to a well-greased 12-cup bundt pan or 10-inch tube pan and make sure it's evenly dispersed. Bash that pan on the counter a couple of times and get the air pockets out, and let's put it in the oven at 325 degrees for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. If it's not ready at the hour mark and it's starting to get a little too brown on top, lay a piece of aluminum foil on top. This prevents the top from getting any darker. This cake looks amazing. I'm going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before I release it. Now it's time for the great reveal. The dismount looks good and the cake sticks the landing. This lemon pound cake is a real beauty. Let it cool completely before glazing. While it's cooling, let's make this super easy lemon glaze. To start our glaze, let's juice a lemon or 2 and measure out 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you want a thinner glaze, use 3 tablespoons. Fresh squeezed gives more vibrant and pronounced flavor. In a small mixing bowl, add 2 cups of powdered sugar. It's best to use sifted powdered sugar to prevent those tiny lumps. Our 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Let's whisk these together. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's gently pour the glaze over the cake and watch it cascade down the sides. Now folks, that is a gorgeous lemon pound cake that Mama would be so proud of.
Folks, I am begging you, you gotta try this lemon pound cake. It is sure to become a favorite. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy baking. If you're looking for more easy pound cake recipes, try this cream cheese pound cake.